Did you know that when you sneeze, your throat muscles team up with your chest muscles to create an impressive force? That's right. A sneeze can expel air at speeds of up to 100 miles per hour. This incredible burst of air is your body's natural defense mechanism, designed to clear out irritants like dust or pollen from your airways. It's fascinating to think about how our bodies work to protect us. And here's another fun fact. The sound of a sneeze is actually caused by the rapid release of air through your vocal cords. So, the next time you feel a sneeze coming on, remember that it's not just a simple reflex, it's a powerful and coordinated effort by your body to keep you healthy.